हरि ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः.
Om Shanti. I, Palla Tiwari, welcome you all in this YouTube channel Positive Vibes. In this video, we will discuss how we can move from negativity to positivity. But the biggest question is why we have to move from negativity to positivity. Why positivity is important to us? Is it very important to us? The answer to that question is yes, it is very important. Next question, why it is very important? And the answer is we all want success in our life, yes or no? We all want success in our life. Are we getting the success? No, we are not getting the success. Why you are not getting the success? The worker, he is working day and night, but still his condition is very poor. Professionals are putting all the efforts, but they are not getting the respectable status in the society. Businessmen want to multiply their money, their wealth. Students want to score A+. Salaried want that their salary should increase. They will get promotion. But the result they are not getting. They are not seeing any positive sign that they will get it. Why? क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? The answer is negativity. The question is, what is this negativity all about? ये negativity होता क्या है? I simply say that negativity is that obstacle which makes us incompetent to attain success. ये negativity एक ऐसी चीज है हमें बेकार कर देती है, हमें सक्सेस अटेन नहीं करने देती. सबकी सेम प्रॉब्लम है. Answer is yes, everybody is having the same problem and everybody is just facing this problem. If we are not having this problem, अगर हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, then why we people are here? We are here because we are having the common problem and collectively we want to solve the problem. Clear? We start our day with a hope that today I will not face any negative problem. Today I will get the success. My salary will improve. My boss will give me the good news. Hey, you got the promotion. But when the day ends, when I retire to bed, I was very upset. Why? Because I not get the expected result. We start our journey with a hope that we will get success in this birth. And that's the irony that we end up our journey with a hope that in the next birth, everything will be fine. But in this video, we will learn how we'll get success in this birth and within few days. If we seriously want to attain success, then at least we should know the root cause of the problem. And the root cause of all the problem which we people are facing is our thought. The question is, now let us see the root cause of all the problem. Root cause है क्या problem का? The root cause of all our problem is thought. Remember one thing, what is thought? Thought means a perception towards the world. दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया. The perception towards the world is called thought. Fine? And remember one thing, this perception is developed by our experiences of this birth and that of the previous birth. Try to understand it with the example. Example से समझते हैं. Suppose in the previous birth, wherever we went, we didn't get the positive response. Everybody ill-treated us. Suppose we are a very good artist and everybody criticize our art. So in this birth, we are having a repulsive feeling towards other people, short-tempered. And opposite to that, if everybody treat us well, wherever we went, everybody praise our art, we get the good money for our creation. So we are having a very positive feeling towards the people. We meet every people with with the feeling of happiness, love, emotions. So that is how the thought works. In this birth also, if somebody in the past ill-treated us, so it is being said na कि past हमें सिखाता है. So out of the past experience also we learn and don't want to repeat the same thing so that we should be hurt. So let us see the components of the thought. Remember one thing, in the thought we are having three components. Thought के अंदर कितने components होते हैं? तीन. The first is idea, second one is emotions, and the third one is vital energy. Idea क्या होता है? Idea main thing होता है. It is the main component of the thought. It is the governing body of the thought. And the emotion is what? Emotion is the way of presenting the idea. ठीक है? अब आपने देखा होगा, it is like a window dressing of the idea. किस तरीके से सुंदर करके, किस तरीके से सजा के हम लोग आइडिया को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इमोशंस. ठीक है? अब इमोशंस है क्या भाई? आइडिया अगर जनरेट हो रहा है तो आउट ऑफ इमोशंस तो जनरेट होता है. ठीक है? आइडिया comes because of the emotions. And remember one thing, the third component of the thought is the vital energy. This vital energy gives life to the idea, gives life to the emotions. Fine? So it is the root cause of all the life form. Now let us see what is balanced mind, what is unbalanced mind, how the idea can make or how the thought can make our mind a balanced mind. Remember one thing, firstly we should know what is the balanced mind. Balanced mind is that mind which is equipped by all sort of positivity. The mind which is equipped by all positive ideas and the emotions, that very mind is called the positive mind. That is called balanced mind. And a person can concentrate if they are having a balanced mind. Clear? Because everything is being arranged in a systematic manner. And if the person is having a balanced mind, that very person will only get success. Why? Because he is balanced. He know how much he has to speak, how much effort he have to put. Balanced mind. And the question is, what is unbalanced mind? If the thought is equipped by all sort of negativity, all sort of negative emotions, then it is called unbalanced mind. Here the thought is not arranged properly. It cannot be arranged properly because this mind is full of negativity. Can I do? No, I can't do. Can I put the efforts? I don't think I can put the efforts. You are having a doubt. Here the emotions are full of jealousy, repulsive, hatred. So that is the state of the unbalanced mind. We can't do the work. We can't concentrate if we are having unbalanced mind. If we want success, firstly we have to come out from the unbalanced to the balanced mind. And the question is how we can come out from the unbalanced state to the balanced state. Listen, if we are having a control on the negativity, everything is possible. The question is how we can control the negativity. Firstly, we should know the sources of the negativity. Remember one thing, we are having two sources of negativity. The negativity comes from two sources. The first one is our past experiences. Most of the time we live in our past. Example, past में मैं दुखी था. क्यों दुखी था? Because I faced failure. So most of the time what we are doing, we are living under the intolerable condition, experiences which we faced during that time period. All the time we are thinking कि मैंने ये experience face किया, ऐसे face किया, पूरे दिन में ऐसा बिताता था. Whole day we are just thinking how we spend the entire day. Negativity में ही रहेंगे. जाना ही तुम्हें हो ही जाए. अगर हम लोग सोचेंगे नेगेटिविटी के बारे में तो नेगेटिविटी तो होंगे. अरे एक बार कहानी खत्म हुई, कहानी खत्म करो. Why all the time we are thinking about it? Are we supposed to live in the past? Answer is no. The past is to teach us कि भाई ये मिस्टेक में फिर से ना करूं. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? We are dwelling in the past. Are we supposed to do it? Answer is no, we are not supposed to. This is the first reason. How we welcome, and this is the first way how we welcome the negative thoughts. The second is through the senses. The negativity comes through the senses. The question is how the negativity can come through the senses? The answer is entertainment. Entertainment and entertainment. चैनल देखते हैं, क्राइम से भरा हुआ, सबकॉन्शियस में क्राइम स्टोर हो जाता है एंड आवर एक्शन स्टार्ट शोइंग दैट वॉलेंट बिहेवियर फर्स्ट. We see the person stealing something. I mean, the all sort of the negativity is coming to us or approaching to us through the entertainment. So we have to put the restrictions on the entertainment. If we seriously want to see something, then we should see the positive things. But the problem is, the media is only showing, only presenting, only giving the negative vibes. They are not giving any positive vibes. They are not showing any positive channels, positive serials. The only thing which they are showing is the crime, the problems, the difficulties which the people are facing. And we start dwelling in the difficulties and we are welcoming the negative thoughts. If we seriously want to come out from this, we have to put the pause on the negativity. And for this, we have to work on the ideas, emotions, and the vital energy. Now we will see how we can control it. We know that we can easily control the thought if we control the ideas. Remember one thing, the intellectuals are having the full faith on the ideas. Example, Socrates. Socrates was very determined. He mostly used to say that everything is possible through the ideas. The root cause of all the problem is that the idea is full of negativity and we have to change our ideas. He tell all their disciples how they can make the idea positive idea. In the Gita also it is being written, Kamesh, Krodesh, Rajogun, Samudbhava, Mahashanu, Mahapapma, Vidneyam, Vyavarinam. The root cause of all the problem is desire. Work on the desire. If we somehow stop the unwanted desire, the problem will be solved. If we work on the ideas, definitely the problem will be solved. But for this, we have the firm determination, firm faith on the idea. And for this, what we can do, we should listen to the Guru. We should listen to the preceptor. We should listen to the person to whom we can totally rely. Or we can rely on the spiritual books or the motivational books. So many books are there. So we are supposed to follow the do and don't and have the firm belief that my idea is the best one. I am having a plan to fight the problems, difficulties. And with this problem, with this plan, the problem will be solved. If we are having this determination, we can definitely get success. Yat Yogeshvara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijaya Bhutir Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. If we are having a 100% faith on our Guru, on our ideas, on the plans, definitely we get the success. The second way by which we can control the negative thought is through the emotions. So what we have to do, we have to inculcate, we have to develop the positive emotions, love, feeling, compassion towards the other. And the best way is what the bhakts are doing. They surrender themselves to the feet of their deity. Sarv dharman paritajya mamikam sharnam vraj aham tva sarvapapebhyo mokshishyami mashucha. They rely on this world and they surrender themselves towards their deity. Now what they are doing? They are doing everything for their deity. If we all the time see that our Lord, our deity is watching us, you really feel that you can do anything wrong? Answer is no, we can't do anything wrong. We can't perform bad actions because all the time we are experiencing their presence. And that is what the bhakta do. And by working on the emotions, they get success. And the third one is what the yogi do, or the yogis are telling us to do. That is meditation. What we will do through the meditation? Through the meditation, we can control the vital energy, which gives birth to the ideas, which gives birth to the emotions. If we somehow work on the vital energy, controlling the vital energy, that is possible, no doubt, that is possible. ये मुमकिन है. कैसे मुमकिन है? कैसे हम लोग vital energy को control कर सकते हैं? We can easily do it through the meditation. हम meditation के through कर सकते हैं, लेकिन above all, regularity is the must. We have to regularly do it. If we regularly work on the meditation, if we regularly do meditation without giving a pause, without a break, we will get the success. In the yoga, it is being taught that we are having the 7 chakras. Actually, in some book it is being written we are having 114 chakras, but the important is the 7-1. These are the source of energy, and if we are working on these chakras, we can find out the problems and we can find the solutions or give the solution to all our problems of our own. अगर मुझे इन चक्र के बारे में पता है, मुझे प्रॉब्लम के बारे में पता लग जाएगा, और जब मुझे प्रॉब्लम के बारे में पता है, and by working on these chakras, we can say bye bye to all our problems, which we basically want to say. Yes or no? Bye bye करना नहीं करना? Definitely yes करना है भाई, करना है, करो. कैसे करो? Let us see how many chakras do we have and where it is being located. लेकिन उसके बारे में जानने से पहले हम लोग सोच लेते हैं, जरा सा देख लेते हैं कि चक्र होता क्या है. Remember one thing, chakras are the points in the body into which the universal life force, that is विश्व प्राण flows. चक्र जो है बॉडी के अंदर है, जहां पे विश्व प्राण वाइटल फोर्स यानी यूनिवर्सल फोर्स फ्लो करती है. हम हैं, जिंदा हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस चक्रास, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सल फ्लोज. आपने सुना होगा लोगों को कहते हुए कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन 7% ब्रेन यूज करता था. इसका मतलब है चक्र यानी जो वाइटल एनर्जी है उसका 7% यूज करता था. अगर चक्र पूरे खुले होंगे तो इसका मतलब मैं 100% यूज कर पाऊंगा. मैं कहां पहुंच जाऊंगा? मुझे जाना है. कैसे जाना है? लेट अस सी, स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी. अब उससे पहले हम लोग 7 चक्र को देखते हैं कि 7 चक्र होते कहां है. चार्ट में आप देख रहे हो 7 चक्रास आर देयर. द रूट चक्र जो आप यहां पे देखते हो, दिस इज द रूट चक्रा, सबसे नीचे. इट इज कॉल्ड द मूलाधार चक्र. इसका नाम क्या है? मूलाधार चक्र. इट इज रेड इन कलर. किस कलर का होता है? रेड. इफ दिस मूलाधार चक्र इज अनबैलेंस्ड तो क्या होगा? ऑल द टाइम वी आर हैविंग अ फियर. अरे कोई हमें मारेगा, पुलिस ना पकड़ के ले जाए, एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए. ऑल द टाइम वी आर हैविंग दिस फियर. What it means? It means our Mooladhara chakra is unbalanced and we have to work on the Mooladhara chakra. Second chakra that we can see, that is orange in color, that is called Swadhisthana chakra, sacral chakra. If this sacral chakra is unbalanced, तो क्या होगा? Attachment, extreme love, पागल हो जाऊंगा, मैं झेल नहीं सकता इसे. I mean emotional imbalance. If we are having this problem of emotional imbalance, it is a negative way in fact, and we have to come out from this negativity. So what we have to do? We have to work on the Swadhisthana chakra. The next is the solar chakra, Manipurak chakra. अब मणिपूरक चक्र क्या कहता है? Because of Manipura chakra, what is happening? We are totally unable to express our ideas in front of other people. It means that ideas हैं, अच्छे हैं, मैं बता नहीं पा रहा. पता नहीं सुनेगा नहीं सुनेगा. बताने पहुंचा, सर ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे पास सॉल्यूशन है, कैसे? This is the problem if we are having. It means our Manipurak chakra is blocked and we have to work on it. The fourth is Anahat chakra. I don't deserve love. I don't deserve respect. छी जिंदगी. If we are having this feeling, it means what? It means our Anahat chakra or the heart chakra is blocked and we have to work on it. I mean, if this Anahata chakra is blocked, what it means? It means we don't have any confidence within ourselves. And for the success, we need confidence. We have to work on it. The next is throat chakra, Vishuddha chakra. अब ये विशुद्ध चक्र क्या होता है, क्या करता है? If we stammer, हगलाते हैं. If whatever the words I uttered, if we hurt the other people, it means that our throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is blocked and we have to work on it. Third chakra, आज्ञा चक्र, थर्ड आई चक्र. ये क्या करता है? इंट्यूशन. भविष्य में क्या होगा? जन्मपत्री देखना, सक्सेस मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, कल क्या होगा, कोरोना कब खत्म होगा, नॉस्ट्राडामस ने क्या कहा, नॉस्ट्राडामस को पता कैसे लगा? I mean, if this third eye or the Agya chakra is unblocked, opened, this is the thing that we get. If we are not getting intuitions, it means blocked. 80% लोगों का तो blocked ही होता है. 80% तो कम ही बोला, 90% people are, I mean, this chakra is blocked. हमें intuition तो आता ही नहीं है, in fact. The last one is सहस्त्रार चक्र, crown चक्र. अब blocked है, unblocked है, पता कैसे लगेगा? डिप्रेशन में है ज्यादा, हाईली डिप्रेशन, नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन, इट मीन्स योर सहस्त्रार चक्र इज ब्लॉक्ड एंड वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन द सहस्त्रार चक्र, क्राउन चक्र. In this video we have seen that these are the 7 chakras and these are the different problems which we will face if these 7 chakras are blocked. In the next video we will learn how we can unblocked these 7 chakras. If we work on these chakras, we will get success. How? That we will learn. Till then, Om Shanti.